Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the tech support team bringing you another video, and today we're going to be talking about one of our brand new HD video switchers. It's the BG-QuadFusion-JR. This is a great unit, easy to use, set up, connect to your network, control with ease with multiple cameras. And today we're going to be talking about how to set it up, how easy it is to set it up, and so forth. So let's dive in. So going over our setup, as you can see, we have 3 of our BG Adamo cameras. We have 2 BG Adamo Juniors, as well as our BG Adamo 4K. This unit supports up to HD 1080p at 60, so I had to just downgrade that 4K to 1080p. But these cameras max out at 1080p 60 for still a great high quality coming into the unit. Also, we have one of our media players going as well, because if you're in a production setup, multiple cameras. Also, if you're looking to switch to like a video or some sort of media, you can do that as well, just connected over HDMI. So diving into the unit itself, as you can see, we have 4 HDMI inputs, 3 for the cameras, 1 for the media player. Obviously, they're all on the screen. There's multiple HDMI outputs, one for the multi-view out, which is on the screen right here, and another one is for program out if you're looking to put it on like a display monitor or put it embed it into your computer. So first thing, when I'm setting up, I always like to connect my multi-view out to like an external monitor so I can see everything. As you can see on the menu here, you have all your previews of all your cameras, you got your program, you got your preview. So if you're looking to queue up another camera or your media player, you could do that. Also, you have all your menu options. First thing you'll see on the menu is the status of your audio. So you got your 2 channels, you have multiple inputs you can embed the audio into, or if you're looking to control like maybe the audio that's already embed over HDMI, you can do that as well. It has a mic input, you can control the volume, you can switch the mode if you want to do mixing or follow the video, and then on the bottom there you can see there's a program out, adjust the resolution. So if you're looking to output this to a monitor, maybe that quite doesn't support 1080p at 60, you can downgrade it to like 30 or 720, whatever it may be. And then you just could go through the menu briefly. You got your system settings to adjust maybe volume levels, and great thing about this unit is you can record onto an SD card. So there's a spot on a micro SD card spot on the back where you can record if you want to record your program out, you record your whole setup. Another great feature about this unit, it offers RTMP streaming. What that means is you can actually send your program out to places like YouTube or Facebook, and you can set up all those settings in the control software that's linked through the network of the unit or in even the web interface. We'll dive into that shortly, but I just want to talk about that. It's an amazing feature that you're able to do that as well if you're looking to go directly from here to there. And then rest of the menu stuff is just like the device info. You can read your firmware, and then also you can adjust your clock. Obviously there's a lot of buttons on here you can push around. You got your program, you got your preview, but my favorite way to control the unit is through the control software. So if you have this connected to your local network and then also a laptop connected to the local network, you can download the control software on your Windows, and you can control the unit just on your Windows computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and do that. So first thing is making sure that everything is on our network. If you go to the stream settings on the menu there, you can see I'm on my local network. It says stream IP. I actually went in and already turned DHCP on, so it pulled an IP address to match our local network. My computer is connected to our local network, so it should scan and find the unit right away. So as you can see, we have our software downloaded here, BG-QuadFusion, and then I'm going to search, I believe, Ethernet 2. That is where it's connected to, and there it is, BG-QuadFusion-JR with our local IP. I'm just going to go ahead and just double click that. And boom, we are in the control software. This is great because it syncs up to the menu. You can see it's changing on the screen. I'm just changing my program source, and then you got your previews. So you're going to queue up that. So going over a little more options on the unit itself by using this control software. As you can see, we have our different transitions if we want to set those up. And then you hit the auto button and it automatically slides. You got your rates is how fast the transition goes. So 1 is really quick, 2 is a little slower, 3 is even more slower. And then you can see I got our mix, it's auto transition. You can also move the slider how fast you want. Cut is just from jumping from preview to program back and forth without no transition. And as you can see, we got more options here. If you want to adjust the resolution, the output of the unit to your display, you could do that. Source is, so input 1 actually offers a display port option as well. So if you have a source that you're looking to plug in that only has display port, not HDMI, there's a display port input for input 1 to switch between HDMI and display port. So we have that option. You can mute your audio, you can do hit the record button, pause and stream, that's for streaming to the RTMP. You got your key, which is all the Luma and chroma key, if you're looking to do that as well. You got your mic gain to adjust your mic levels, and then audio levels, you can see you can adjust here. You have AFV, which is auto follow video. So if you're switching, you have audio on all your videos, it'll follow that. Or mix is where you can mix in audio because you can embed audio into the unit. Here I'm going to go to my settings now. This is where we can set up all of our network settings. So we got our network settings right here. As you can see, it's on dynamic DHCP. If I want to put it on a static IP, I could do that as well. You can adjust your fan control. If it's getting a little hot, you can turn up the fan speed. Stream settings, this is where you're going to input all your RTMP stream key and everything to stream to like places like YouTube, Facebook, whatever it may be. You can adjust your resolution here as well, and you get your record settings. So pretty much everything is really straightforward here. This is why I love this software, because it's right in front of you and it's easy to use, and you can do other things as well. And lastly is, so if you're looking to like live stream, but you don't want to live stream directly from here, maybe you want to take your program out and go directly to the computer. We have a USB, there's a USB 3.0 out, and that's what we have right here. So I'm just going to pull up a preview. I have it in the camera application. So a lot of people send this to like OBS Studios or even to like vMix or other video conferencing platforms. As you can see, it's already going. So I'm going to see that's our program out. So you can see it has our program out already over USB, and I can switch between my other program sources, our other cameras, our video, and then I can even add the transition. Oh wait, I won't transition to the same image. So there we go. You got your auto. I want to slow that down a little bit, and how about we do a fade? And then you can see it fades on here as well as on there. So you have full control over here as well on the push buttons. So everything is very seamless, good to go, really easy to set up. So there you have it. So as you can see, another great product here from BZB Gear, our brand new HD video switcher, the BG-QuadFusion-JR. We actually have a 4K version of that as well. So if you're looking to use 4K cameras or output to 4K, we got you supported with that piece of equipment. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. We'll answer your questions as soon as we can, or you can always hit us up at tech support, or you can hit up to one of our sales associates. They can help you provide a lot of information or answer any questions about how, if you have multiple camera setup, how this would be a great solution for your environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified from BZB TV when more of these videos come out. And as always, have a great day.